Welcome back. In this video I'll be solving little problem 875, Koko eating bananas. Koko loves to eat bananas. There are piles of bananas. Diet has piles of bananas. Okay. So Koko eats K per hour. It eats from some pile and eats K bananas from the pile. If the pile has less than K, then so it's all then it doesn't want it anymore. So I need to find the minimum bananas per hour that will work. So let's check. So since we are in binary search problems, we need to binary search for the solution. And since age, so number of hours, is always greater than number of piles or equal, then our maximum K is the maximum of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's 30. It has to be 30 because, so this is easy example. Yeah, so I can binary search that's log n time, but what is the n? N is piles of phi, 10 to the 9th. That's piles of phi, okay. And what is, and I need to also find what is the 10 to the 4th. But this could work. So 10 to the 4th times log of 10 to the 9th. Log of 10 to the 9th, that's pretty not big. Yeah. Okay, I think this will work. So let's first try it. So left will be equal to 1. Right will be equal to max of piles. And so while left is less than right again this time, mid is left plus right divided by 2. And now I have to check if E Koko finish. So if Koko finish with M bananas and age hours, M bananas per hours and age hours, or let's take this. Well, do I need to call it? I can test. Let's do it in the while loop, so it will be a bit more ugly, but can Koko finish? That's the question. So res is equal false here. And how can I calculate this? So current is equal 0. For pile in piles, I need to check how much time for P in piles. How much time will it require for Koko to eat all of them? So is greater than 0, minus equal mid, and current plus equal 1. Okay. If current is greater than age, I need to do again this, so I'll actually do the function. So define, or I want. Okay, so I have result is false. I just break and I say if current is less or equal, then res is equal true. Okay, and now I have to update search space. So if Koko can manage, I need to update. So if res Koko has enough time, we need to reduce number, so right is equal to mid, else if else I just have left if Koko does not have enough time, m plus 1. And I will have to find a solution here. This will, so I can just return right here if I'm correct. That should be it. Let's make it more concise. Let's see. Looks good. Does it work? Oh no. So if I get time limit exceeded, or maybe I can do better. I have one idea. So independence to age. So here age was like crazy big, and I don't need to do it like this. Well, I can sort them. I could sort them. Well, doesn't help. This is an interesting one. Can Koko finish? I think this part needs to be better. So oh yeah, I don't need to do it like this. I can just divide. This was a bit too so for p in piles, where pile is yeah, I think this was kind of stupid. So yeah, I didn't need this one. Let me undo this. So for p in piles, current is plus equal pile divided by seal. Yeah, let's do it. So current is pile divided by n. Okay, this was also stupid break. Or let me try that, but if p mod m is greater than 0, current plus equal 1. If current is greater than h, rest is false, I need to break. Well, this is also if current is less than or equal h. I need this. No, I need it. So if current is greater than h, if it's less or equal h, then I need this. I need to break. Well, if it's exactly h, I'm not sure. So now this will be faster. So if current is greater than h, then break. Current not. So res else update. Yeah. Okay, so my silly mistake. Pretty silly mistake. It can be done better as I can see, but I think this is good enough. like the better solution would kind of be in a sense. So if age is, I think it's too complicated. This is good enough in my opinion. So if age is, let's say, 6, then we don't need to use any more. Let's say 30 instead, because we have 1 more hour to eat. And independence of this value, we will need to either use this number or greater than this number, because imagine this is 47. So if I use 23, 2 hours will not be enough to eat this, so it would be 24 or whatever. So those kind of games, but yeah, that would be a lot more complicated. I think this is good enough, so let's check. So time complexity, so this is number of piles. Number of piles is 10 to the 4. So O of, I'll call it piles, times log of, I'll call it 10 or something like this, or V, log V. Can I check now? Yeah, nice. I pay for it and I cannot see it. Yeah, so I think this is correct. Yeah, if it's otherwise, write the comment. Yeah, that's all I got for this one. Appreciate you for following, and see you in the next one.